Let's shift gears a little bit to a topic that I think almost every team wrestles with, and that's how do you innovate when you don't have endless resources? Because unfortunately, most of us don't. So, Karthik, let's stick with this with you on this one. When you're making the case for a data investment or an AI investment, what's maybe that metric or the outcome that tends to get decision makers to want to lean in?
Right. So if your data strategy is aligned to your business outcomes, if you have it very clearly nailed down, then these KPIs are very easy because you know what you're focusing on and you know what your executives want to see. So that's where it starts. Align your data strategy to your business vision, to your business strategy, and to your business outcomes. That's the first thing. For example, say demonstrating that AI can reduce cycle time by 20% or increase accuracy by 15%. So if you start measuring it quantifiably, then you are creating a tangible link between how technology and technology leaders see the outcomes to how the business and executive leaders see those outcomes. So it then shifts your conversation naturally from I'm doing an innovative product to I'm building a product that is going to give me X return on execution. That said, the most compelling cases are tied to concrete business KPIs, reducing operational costs, improving speed to market, increasing customer retention, or enabling faster, more accurate decision making. So I would recommend three value propositions for such strategies, and each of these has to be measured differently from an ROI perspective. So the first one would be day-to-day purposes, right? How quick can I access this data? How long does it take for me to add a new source? So this is something that you want to apply on your day-to-day projects or business as usual things that you are working on. The second thing is, how do I improve on my current business outcomes? I already have certain projects, but I want to make sure I better the ROI for this project. So how much money do I save? How fast can I take it to market? So that's the second value proposition when you apply a data strategy. The third one is driving your innovation, right? I can't do any of the current business outcomes that I'm forecasting without this particular data or GenAI strategy. So what that means is how much additional revenue will my portfolio generate from this particular initiative. So these are different KPIs that you use depending on what value proposition that you are looking at day to day. Are you looking at day to day purpose? Are you looking at improving your current business processes? Or are you completely coming with a innovation that's going to radically change how your portfolio currently looks? So these are the various different three things I would talk about. There are also a lot of other KPIs that technology leaders in particular have to factor in outside of the commercial leaders and the commercial ROI outputs of this portfolio. One is data quality, data maturity, data security, and then data efficiency, which in a way is infrastructure cost that you're saving. So if you also take care of these and measure KPIs around quality, maturity, security, and efficiency, then you are building a very sound business case for innovation. And by doing this and by measuring these KPIs, your business and executive leaders will understand and then be part of this.
Thank you. I think